Hello, I'm Debbie Bell-Hosking for FinextraTV at MPE Berlin 2024, and I'm joined by Anita Paju, Head of Customer Success, LHV. Welcome, Anita.
Thank you. It's lovely to be here.
Yes, it's great to have you here in the studio with us. Can I ask, as LHV, what fintechs are you currently partnering with and for what services?
Sure. So today we are the European banking provider for about 200 fintechs of various sizes and different verticals. So for example, e-money institutions that provide bank-like services, open banking, issuers, acquirers, wealth tech, and also some a small amount of virtual asset service providers. And we pretty much focus on accounts, infrastructure and payments. So real-time payments is our bread and butter.
Thank you. And in terms of collaborations, because we spoke about the collaborations, the fintechs, in your opinion, how can they benefit consumers? And that's collaborations between fintechs and banks.
I think it's very important to recognize the importance of partnerships in the industry that we're in. So I'd much rather do a select number of things and do them well instead of trying to do everything and being average at it. So this is why I think when we provide safeguarding to our customers, it is to protect the money of their clients, keep it safe. For payments, so I mentioned real-time payments. So by doing that, we enable the end customer to get access to their money as quick as possible, because I think that's what everybody wants these days, instant gratification. And I think fintechs, they don't just pop up for the sake of it, right? So they're always founded to tackle a very specific problem. And I think when we support fintechs, we also enable the innovation in financial services. And I think from that, it is the customer the end customer that benefits by having many providers to choose from, providers that solve very specific problems in the financial services industry. Yeah, and I think we also have sometimes these two-way partnerships with our clients, which I'm usually the most excited about. So for example, we've had this one client, Coinbase, that we've been servicing for over 10 years. And since last year, we've also become a client of theirs to enable our retail customers to buy and sell virtual assets through LHV's own platform, which I think is quite cool. So yeah, I think it works well when you try to do the things that you're good at and then partner up with other providers that are good at something else.
Absolutely, that sounds like sound advice and practice. So as LHV, what are your priorities for 2024?
I think we're going to look to improve and build on our infrastructure in the UK. So we've only had the bank license in the UK since May last year. So there is a lot that we still can do in the UK. So at the moment, we are working on getting the UK bank connected to the Euro schemes, which would enable one account to be connected to all the schemes we support in Europe as well as the UK, which is very cool. And then we're also currently working on our direct-to-consumer proposition, which is due to launch later this year. So lots to do, but all very exciting, I think.
Absolutely, yes. Lots to do, but an exciting year ahead.
Yeah.
For LHV.
Definitely.
Anita, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.